When it comes to computers and AI, it's so much harder. And I think here we're misled by our psychological biases. Now, we as humans, we have got a pretty terrible track record of withholding moral consideration from things that are not us.
Yeah.
And part of the reason we do this is because they don't seem sufficiently similar to us in ways that we think matter. And the ways that we think matter tend to be things that we think make us special, like language, intelligence. Of course, it's questionable how intelligent we are as a species, but we tend to elevate ourselves and think, okay, no language, no consciousness. Descartes did something like this many, many centuries ago. So we might make false negatives a lot. With AI, I think we're in almost exactly the opposite situation. We have these language models that exercise our biases. They speak to us.
Yeah.
They seem to be intelligent in some way that's still easy to catch out, but something interesting is going on there. So because they're similar to us in the ways that we elevate and that we tend to prioritize, we project qualities into them that they probably don't have, like thinking, understanding, and of course, consciousness. Whereas they're very different to us in other ways. And it's those other ways in which they're very different that might actually matter for consciousness.
And if we were seeking to build a conscious, just call it AI, just as a blanket term for something computational that we build, should we base it on trying to mimic the architecture of the brain? Or again, is that just such a limited way of thinking about how the process of thinking might be generated?
Well, this is the one.
Sorry.
This is the one case we know about.
Yes.
So I mean, it's true when it comes to AI.